Getting a validation error in Pinterest. Here's how to fix it. Check if your Pinterest account is correctly set up. Ensure that your email address and password are entered correctly and that you have verified your email address if required. Clear the app's cache to remove any corrupted files that could be causing the error. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. If your connection is unstable, the validation process may fail. Try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi to see if this resolves the issue. If the validation error happens when logging in, consider resetting your password. For resetting your password, tap Forget Password on the login screen. Finally, if the issue persists, you may need to contact Pinterest support to check for any account-specific issues. If you have tried all of the above and are still getting the validation error, it's a good idea to reach out to Pinterest support for more help. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.